So what is her style anyway? Part 2. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So I was showing my jewelry and I got too long-winded, and so I wanted to put up the second part so you all could see what I make. Here is a rose gold plated copper wire wrapped snowflake obsidian, and I've got a plated brass chain there, rose gold plated brass chain, which is nice because they don't cause allergies and they don't tend to turn and get crazy colors or anything like that. So that's just like a little baby I wire wrapped. It came as part of a lot of different sizes of snowflake obsidian stones. Just showing it from different angles. Moving on to this little one here. I am like not that great with resin, but I did try my hand at it, and this one here came out pretty good. I'm not sure if me or my daughter did that little blue flower and the little heart-shaped resin mold there, but it's super cute. We added a silver plated skull to it and some dyed jade beads, crystal bead there at the top, and some wire wrapping, and it came out pretty cute. This is one of the ones I think that went to the in the wholesale lot to the gift shop. Moving on to my dream in mauve. Almost forgot the name there. So this one's really cute. It's blown glass, and the two units are wire wrapped together. We've got a brass. All this is done in brass. The wire wrapping is done in brass, and there's a brass chain. I like putting a little dangle on my clasp. I used to do it all the time. I haven't done it so much recently, but I always love that little detail. I think it's cute at the back of the neck to have that little dangle there. This one is a chalcedony, and it's wire wrapped in sterling silver. A nice spear there, has a lot of character, and the stone I really like. As you turn it around, you know, you just kind of see the different colors, and when you turn to the other side you can see how clear it is. These are milfory dangle earrings. So this glass is called milfory, this style, and it's kind of got like, looks like little flowers going through it, and that's the milfory design. And I've got the class, I like the clash of the green and the yellow together. I just thought that was kind of neat. It's got a crystal bead on top, and I think those are done in silver. Next up we have a crystal bracelet. I enjoy making these, weaving these crystals. If you look closely, you can see how I reinforce the fishing line as I go back through. So as I make the design, I go through once, and then I come through again along each side to kind of reinforce and make it stronger. Hopefully you can see that. These have got a mix of silver and clear going on each side of the bead, so it has a nice sparkle when it hits the light. These can come in all different sizes. They can be woven in different sizes, and obviously different color stones, different types of stones. So this is just it's a cute bracelet, and I have someone that keeps it only for special occasions. This set here is my turquoise dream set. I absolutely love this set. I did make one for myself. I don't have the earrings, but I do have the necklace. This is done in sterling silver. We've got the glass beads. I'm going to take them off the little mannequin next so you can see it soon. But yeah, these are, I call them like little horseshoes because that was the closest shape I could come to in my brain. But yeah, these came out really cute, and I call that turquoise dreams. Turquoise is one of my favorite colors. This set here is believe it or not, peridot. I had one or two brown peridot stones in my lot, And so I decided to put them on brown leather chain, add some copper wire wrapping, and it came out pretty lovely. I love the way that this came out. We've got the matching earrings, the pendant, and we've got the handmade clasp. So I do like how this came out, and this also went as part of the wholesale allowed to the gift shop. Next up, we've got the obsidian. It's wire wrapped in copper, and we've got black leather and a handmade clasp. And lastly, we have our I guess I can't say dreaming in mauve because I already said dreaming in mauve. So this is just another mauve set, and it has electroplated hematite in there, and it has crackle quartz. Some people don't like necklaces, so I'll do bracelet and earring sets, or just bracelets or whatever not. So please check out my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm an upcoming jewelry tutorial channel. I hope to see you around. And I also had some pieces that were up for grabs, so be the first to comment and you can win this set here, these silver plated bangles with the European beads, and also the snowflake obsidian pendant, and lastly this dragon set here. Be the first 3 to subscribe and comment and tag 2 people, and it's yours. See you next time.